Hey, you guys, and welcome back to the Orlando Science Center. I'm meteorologist Marquise Meda, joined by Zach once again. And I didn't know it, Zach, but I guess we got some beef because we're going to war today.
No, we're going to go against war against the cameraman today. We're going to be launching the catapults right at the camera, trying to nail it. We're talking about medieval engineers with siege weapons. These are massive hulking machines that were designed with one purpose in mind: to hurl a really heavy rock at a castle wall and make it tumble down. And it's all about the buildup of potential energy, releasing it very, very quickly to that kinetic energy. So we have three designs, starting really simply and moving up to the very realistic and complex. So we'll start over here with our little mini catapult. This is just about 8 popsicle sticks, some rubber bands, and of course your bottle cap glued or taped on. And basically what's happening here is our wood is a little bit pliable. It's actually going to be able to bend a little bit. And that bend in that spring is going to be your potential energy building up. So when you hold it down and push back, and then you let go, all of that potential energy is going to convert to kinetic energy in 3, 2, 1.
Bombs away.
Way up over our wall. Now here, our middle design is going to be starting to use something called a truss system. The system of triangles right here is going to help support the weight. So we're going to be able to add more potential energy, and the system will be able to handle it. We also have an elastic rubber band. This elastic is made up of polymers, which are long, stretchy chains of molecules that can store up a ton of potential energy. So when I hold down and press back in 3, 2, 1, off to the left. Yeah, a little further.
Yeah.
It has a lot more potential energy, so it's going to convert to a lot more kinetic energy.
And I've heard this before, but geometrically speaking, triangles are the most secure and trustworthy shape.
Yeah, if you see bridges, you're going to see the number of triangles that are on there. Triangles are a rigid shape, so one side can't bend without the other two bending as well. So it's going to keep its shape versus a square that can kind of turn into a parallelogram. So it has a little too much action, too much wiggle. But here, we're actually going to have like a little bow action. It kind of looks a little bit like a crossbow with this metal bar. This metal bar is going to be very, very good at storing that potential energy. This is a very realistic 3D model of a realistic catapult launching in 3, 2, 1. Ooh, pretty close to the camera, but this is a very realistic medieval engineering catapult that they would have designed. And this is part of our series of Dig Deepers, where we dive a little bit into ancient history, and this is part of our ancient engineering Dig Deeper exhibit. So this is a lot of fun. You can see it all throughout the Orlando Science Center all month long.
Well, it's a super cool replica. They even got the spikes on the side.
Yeah, make it look really cool.
The engineers did not miss a single detail, and I don't want you guys to miss out on this throughout the month of August as we're highlighting Engineering Month here at the Orlando Science Center, and we hope to see you guys all here. Back to you.